Now in this lecture we'll be taking a look at inheritance in Python. So till now we have created classes, and in those classes we have our attributes and methods. Now what if we need to have a common class, and from there we will be kind of using certain attributes or methods and using it in a different class. For instance, as an example, we can say that every student is a person, and every person has certain attributes. For instance, we have height, age and gender. So that is something which is going to be common across all students. These attributes are going to be there. So what we have done is we have created a person class, and in that class we have these attributes like height, age and gender. Then what we've done is we've created student class, and here you will notice one special thing. With the student class we are passing person as an argument to that class. So basically this is the way of specifying that this student class is inheriting person class. When we say inheriting, that means all these attributes that we have defined in the person class will be available in the student class as well. So here, how that is going to happen, you'll notice this super keyword. So whenever you say super dot and then the method name like init over here and then keyword arguments. So super basically references the parent class. In this case it will be person, and then we are saying that execute the init method. So that's the init method over there, and in that it is expecting keyword arguments, and that is what we are passing over here, keyword arguments. Now once we do that, what it will do is it will initialize all these attributes, and you'll notice now when we are printing it over here, we are now also accessing the age attribute inside the student class itself. And when creating an instance of the student class, you'll notice we are also passing the attributes that are required for the person class. So here we have height, age and gender, and we have created two instances over here. And finally when we'll be printing it, you'll see that the self.age will also be printed. So let's go ahead and run this now, and there you go. It says the student name is John, address is USA, age is 24, and for the other instance it says Matt and address is USA, age is 20. So that way you can create reusable components using inheritance based approach. You can have methods which are specific to a given instance. For example, you can have a student class and define a method over here like we have get name and get address, and that instance will be calling that method only. Other instances or classes will not have that method, and still you can inherit from a common class. Like over here we are doing it over here, person. So you can create another class. Let's call it as science student, and obviously science student will have a different set of methods, but still they are going to be persons and they will have similar attributes, height, age and gender. So you can take that approach as well and create reusable components using inheritance.